Welcome to 2021. It's new intro time. Welcome back to another video. 8 months ago, I decided to create this channel with one goal in mind. We decided to use this opportunity to share some of the things we've learned over the years. From camera techniques to video production tips, Epic Studio will be our platform to make fun and informative videos that diverge away from our traditional uploads. 240 days and over 15 videos later, my goal hasn't changed. I want to make videos that create values, spark thoughts, or just tell you a little bit about myself. With that said, in the beginning of 2021, I've decided to change this channel's name to my own name, Albert Leung, for two reasons. One is just more personal. I'm seeing this channel name more as a title or business card now, that every time you see my name, you think about the camera tips that I give you, or just the stupid things I do in front of camera. Two is it puts more responsibilities back into my hands. Our original plan was to publish each and every video in two channels with my partner, one in English and one in Chinese. But there were just many times that we had different ideas or schedules, and that, on top of being physically apart from each other, hindered the production schedule a lot. So, with the rebranding now, I have more freedom and also responsibilities to tell you the story that I want to tell you. But don't you worry, Epic Productions, the production company that my partner and I started, isn't going anywhere. In fact, we still have many exciting commercial and wedding projects lining up for this new year. Also, the team is still helping me with social media management, like posting this video on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks, Clayton and Jason. And I still have plans to make YouTube videos with Jerry when the right topic and time come by. So this year, I'm setting a new target of releasing at least one video per week, translating to just over 50 videos by the end of 2021. And it's not going to be easy, as each video takes a massive, enormous time and effort to do. But that's what I love to do. So I'm going to keep doing just that. I just love filmmaking and taking photos so much. So feel free to yell at me if you don't see my activities in a while. Thank you so much for watching this video and being part of my YouTube journey. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.